Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mold Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. 2005 to 2009, left driver side wheel speed sensor. First thing you need to do is, I've already unhooked it, but and all the tools that I'm using for this video are in my Mold Mechanic store. So you just go to my bio page and click on my Mold Mechanic store. But anyway, it will be sitting right here, and this is where right there where you put your brake reservoir right under it. It'll be laying on its side, the connector. So I popped it out, and then you just press down, and pull out. Then you follow it. You do not have to take off your tire. You come all the way down right here, and it's a 8mm. It sits in just like this. It's gonna be rusty, so be careful you don't break it. It's an 8mm. What I did is I backed it off a few turns, and then I grabbed some pliers because you don't want it to break off inside of there. Then you're pulling out your knuckle. More work. I gently went back and forth with it while the screw was sitting in it and pulled it up as far as the screw allowed me. Then I took the screw out, which is an 8mm screw right there. And then I pulled it out, and then I popped it off right here. That's where it holds it at. And then back here, where my finger's at, it holds it right there. Then all you have to do, you can go either direction you want to go in. I'm sorry, you got one more that's sitting right here. Very hard to see. I'm going to pop it off right in front of you guys. I'll try to get it off right now. The new one's going to come with the piece that locks in right there. So I'm just going to pull on it, pull it out, just like so. Now, if the tire was off, a little bit easier, but I don't feel like taking the tire off. You don't have to. And boom. The whole thing is right here. I use a diagnostic machine, bi-directional, and I knew the speed sensor wasn't working. Just because I see codes means nothing to me. I look at the data. The diagnostic machine I use is actually made by Autel, by the way, but it's not Autel. It's the same company, though. But it's in my Mold Mechanic store. This is bi-directional. I have a camera that comes in it that I hook up to this when I want to look down and to like cylinder heads. 2-year updates. When you buy Autel, you're only going to get 1 year updates. And it's this one right here, the Pro. Nice big screen, bi-directional. I could turn things on and off. I could see live data, and that's how it came to the conclusion on this job. And then when you put it in, it's just reverse. After you put it in, clear the code, take it for a ride. If you can't clear the code, take it for a ride, and it will go away. Every time you turn the key on, it does its own self-diagnosis. And this is what it came up with. And the new one, for this one, let me see if I can find the box to it. It's right here. I'm also changing the ABS module, which will be a separate video. That definitely is bad also. But there's your part number right there. I thank you for all the donations you have made to our website. We have helped many people who are in the same economy we are in, but they're on fixed incomes, and sometimes they can't afford their full amount of repairs. We also finance the labor for those who qualify with Afterpay, and this is what we accept. This is us. We're also on YouTube. And I thank you for those donations. And you right at our website, you can go to my bio page, and you can click on the website if you wish. We try to help people as much as possible, and this could not be done without you guys. If you like this video, Please like, subscribe, share, and follow. Thank you.